Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe e Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Eid Mubarak sa lahat ng atin mga kapatid sa Islam. Punta tayo sa atin topic, April 2, 2025. BF ni Gloria Diaz mas bata, super rich, may sex life, it's good. Jelly time. Proud na ibinandera ni Miss Universe 1969, Gloria Diaz na masaya at makulay ang kanyang love life ngayon sa piling ng mayaman at mas batang boyfriend. Kwento ng award-winning veteran actress, 28 years na ang itinatagal ng relasyon nila ng kanyang jowa pero mukhang wala na sa plano niya ang magpakasal. Sa Grand Mediacon ng bago niyang horror movie, ang Untold, na pinagbibidahan ni Jody Santa Maria, natanong ang bitter-an ng aktres about the current status of her love life. Super good. My partner is Mike De Jesus. He's the president of DBP and he's younger than me. But you know, he and my former husband, we used to go out together. Sabi ko, I can handle two guys at the same time. Kayang-kaya. Always open your options, chika ni Gloria Diaz na turning 74 na ngayong April 5. Patuloy pa niya, I said the younger man usually adjusts in a relationship if the woman is older. He became older na rin. He became mature. He's a serious banker, dagdag pahayag pa ng aktres. Sa tanong kung gusto pa niyang magpakasal, huwag na. At my age, alangan naman naka-white gown pa ako. Paglalarawan pa niya sa kanyang dating asawa, my ex-husband was very good but you know we were younger and had too many friends and parted as friends and he became a better father. My former husband looks very much like Belle, Isabel Daza, and Ava. I am very close to my in-laws. I don't have any real trauma, dugtong na chika pa Gloria. At nang usisin about her sex life, natatawang say ni Gloria, it's good. Jelly time. I'm just kidding. That's my daughter's business. Na ang tinutukoy ay ang all-natural water-based personal brand ng lubricant. Samantala, paano naman niya maintain ang kanyang kagandahan after all these years? By being busy, working, having many friends, of course my children, my apos, my boyfriend. I drink a little wine but more champagne. I exercise. I get a massage, body, steam, and I do my hair, makeup, everything, sabi pa niya. Sabi pa ni Gloria, enjoy pa rin siya sa mundo ng showbiz. I love the business as it is kasi it has made it very comfortable for me. Everything I have, because of showbiz. A lot of what I have comes from the business. Bukod kina Gloria at Jody, kasama rin sa tinaguriang biggest horror movie ng Regal Entertainment na Untold, sina Juan Carlos Labajo, Joan Bascan, Mylene Dizon, Kaori Oinuma, Sarah Edwards, at Lian Valentin. Ito'y mula sa direksyon ni Derek Cabrido at showing na sa mga sinehan sa April 30. Bisitahin ang Instagram ni Miss Gloria Diaz at Gloria Diaz 69. At yan ang atin latest showbiz chika update for today, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click the notification bell for more showbiz chika updates. Like and share the video at suportahan po ang atin Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat, adios.